What's up, guys? Day 87. I just don't know why I opened this. I don't even want to do leak code today. So here's a little rundown on how the interview went today. It was two aggressively easy problems, like technical problems. Or I guess I should just run through the whole thing. So it was a 20-minute call. To me, in 20 minutes, I was like, okay, it's going to be a behavioral then, because they didn't specify what type of interview. So I was like, cool, I'll just prep behavioral stuff. Didn't look at anything technical today. He, immediately just asked me, a technical question. It was, I think it was a really easy one. It was just, reverse a dictionary. It's that's not hard at all. I got it, very instantly. But then the second one was, take the difference between two lists pretty much, but if the first list had 333 and the next list had a single 3, then you only output 2 3s, you know? You take the differences, and I don't know why I fucking just froze for 30 seconds. I eventually got I should have just used counters, and I looked back over it after, and I'm like, counters, append them, check differences. It's so unbelievably simple. And I got there eventually. I just pretty much made a counter. I used 2 dictionaries, looped over them, just started with ones and negative ones, which is I don't know, it's fine. I got it eventually, but it just sucks because I feel I did all this practice of so much harder problems this whole time. I feel pretty good about my technical skills. And then it's of course, the one fucking interview out of the hundreds that I applied to, I get such a layup. And I'm cool, I can finally, I got this. I'd fuck it up. So, we'll see. Obviously hoping for the best, expecting the worst. As one does. What's up, Cass? Yeah, we move on. So yeah. Apologies if this is a more lower energy stream tonight. I don't know. Just felt a little bit defeated, if I'm being honest. Upset at myself. So we're going to do something different than the other projects. I made this bot with my friend a little bit ago, where it reacts to I did part of it on stream, uploading the reactions, but essentially what it does is you can call a command in Discord and it'll reply in emojis. And I want to add some more functionality to it, more so right now it's completely anonymous of who's doing what, who calls it, which is it's fine because we have a small community, nobody's doing some crazy shit. But I think we should not anonymize it. So, my idea is, I wonder how I can show this. I can't really. I don't want to leak any messages. Sorry, give me 1 second, guys. Just trying to see if anything is alright, whatever. What's up, John? What's up, Hive? Sorry, just seeing your messages now. But yeah, that's the plan. Why do you feel defeated? Because I was real dumb in a very easy problem. I mean, a very easy interview question for my first interview today, and I'm going. I don't know. I'm very self-critical. The guy was also just he loosely dropped that there aren't. What was the question? It was literally a difference between 2 lists with a little bit of a twist. Very, very simple. Very simple. Aggressively simple. And I was just I got it eventually. It's not I didn't get the question. But it's for something that easy, you should one-shot it in one clean swoop. And I did not clean swoop it, as the kids say. All right. Just at the end, the guy was like, "We're a small company, um, so like they can't take many interns." And I feel like you only say that if like the dude you're talking to, like he pretty much dropped um, like we're a small company. I think you did okay, but like if you don't get it, like we just don't have that many spots for interns. I feel like you just don't tell that to somebody that like did really good. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm reading too much into it. But if so, such is life. So reaction model. We should now have. What do I want to call this file? It's like to know who did what. What should I call this file? Yeah, no, it happens. I'm not stressing it too much. It's literally just, it's more upsetting purely because this is the first, like, it's like the first interview I've gotten. Like, getting interviews are very rare for me. So, it's like it matters more for someone who doesn't get interviews that often. I don't know if I'm making sense, but, Should I import a file and note an interview? If it makes you feel better, I don't even know how to do that right now. Alright, would have to Google that. Granted, I'm not like a Node developer, really. Okay. First I need to edit this. So essentially what we want to do, is I'm thinking of like storing just a file on Discord's end of like a queue of the last 100 messages, so we can look those up, and then anything past that, it's like has legacy. We didn't. Fuck it, I don't give a shit about it. So we'll do something like this. Where could I put this actually? Setup assets. Whatever. I'll just put it in like messages right now. And my friend for some reason uses YAML for this stuff. Whatever. Fine by me. Which means like load queue. This is here. I feel like I loosely remember this. We've been there. Yeah, it's really not that big of a deal. I'm just like, obviously you're always hard on yourself, right? Like it's just how it is. No. There's like, there is a chance still that like, hey, I'm fine. And in that case, like, cool. I know there's at least one more round after this, so. Like, if I get to there, or wait, no, there's only one more round. So if I get through this one, slight chance I get a job and this series ends. Would be pretty cool. Would be pretty cool. Okay, so I'm getting this as a list. Do you know how many other people are competing for this position? No, he did not tell me that. I loosely asked after he said his like comment of we can't take that many interns. I was like, could you possibly tell me like how many like positions / interns like like what the numbers are, and he's like, I don't think I can tell you that, sorry. And I was like, that's fair. Is there a max here? Yeah, there's a max length. Okay. Did he ask you about using AI at all? No, he did not. He did not. It was really like, we talked for like, I don't know, like a minute maybe. Like just very brief introductions, and then we like went straight into it because it was literally just 20 minutes. Like there was no time wasted in anything else. Very, very short. I meant that. They must be a super small shop then. I mean, I don't think they're super small, but probably not huge. What does this throw? Is there like a fire? Yeah. What am I doing wrong? Oh, there we go. That's just indented wrong. I thought the linter would fix that. Okay, so we have this here. Actually, I should just make this all one thing. Def store message, store interaction. I don't know. So that we have our deck. Now we need to write to it. What are the types of these though? I'm looking for like message ID. Is Java nuts, Python? So ID is an int. Okay. And then user ID is going to be a string. I'm pretty confident about that. Looks like Java. In the nicest way possible, not really. There's no like type definitions. No type definitions. Def. I don't know. I feel like not really. So, no, I'm not doing leak code today. Taking a little break. Purely because I don't really want to. Actually, global name might be quite nice. Or just name? Can I get that on one of these objects? What types do you have? Why can I not load Discord? So it'd be a good. I mean, it's like it's okay. Do I just not have it downloaded in this? We have the interactions ID, guild ID. Oh, so we do have a user. What features do you like with Python? I mean, it's really easy to use. I don't know, it's quick to spin up stuff. And there's so much, like there's such a huge community around it that it's like, there's stuff like a Discord API. Do dynamic types bother you? Not really. I feel like I'm not a huge, like, I have to use a static type language or I have to use this language. Because, like, if you really cared, you could use type definitions in Python. It doesn't, like, help, but... Maybe a user in a message. Like DHH. I actually don't know what that is. Oh yeah. I thought you were talking about like like a different framework or something. What is a global name? Like, what's the difference between a display name and a global nickname? Okay, so I think I want display name. Actually, I might want global nickname. Because like in servers you can nickname yourself. Yeah, I'll go with global name. I could really just have this take in the interaction. This would be interaction.user.global name. ID is not known an attribute of none. Make a Discord bot? Yeah, I'm just extending some functionality of a bot that my friend and I made. Just a basic print here. What does the bot do? I can see if I can show you. I guess you gotta find like something that I wouldn't care if. Give me 1 second. It's pretty much just like a reaction bot, but it's only in my like Northwestern server, so it's okay. Yeah, I mean this should be fine. Realistically, this isn't gonna leak anything or something like that. Actually, I won't be able to react to those. Shit, what the fuck can I? All right, I'm just gonna scroll up. Dude, I can't find something that I could react to without like technically leaking something. I wonder if I could just add it to our server. That'd be quite easy, actually. Wait. Let me ask my friend how to do that. But it's essentially like it just like spells out words in emoji reactions to a text. I'm trying to see if I can find an example somewhere. Nah, whatever. I'll add it to our server and then we can check it out later. But I'll do that after the stream. How's that useful? It's not, it's just for fun. It's not like meant to be useful. It's just, I've always found it quite funny. Where you can like spell out reactions. I don't know. I find it funny. My community finds it funny. In terms of like my Northwestern friends. Gotten some good use out of it. It's a YAML dump, right? Yeah. I'm assuming I have to cast this to like a list. Okay. I don't really know how to test this though. This is the funny thing. Because I don't have the dev environment, that's what my friend has. So whatever. I'll just keep working as if it works. So at the end of this, we'd want to call store interaction. The interaction. Yeah, because we want to go from the message ID to the global name. I have to do something like this. So await interaction. What the fuck was it? Follow up.send. What does ephemeral mean? What does that do? Secret messages, okay. Okay. So I think that's fine. So now I need to actually make the command that reads it in and then reads it back. So I think that'll just be another callback. It'll be like another interaction. You have the message ID from the interaction. And you just literally just search it. No? Yeah, I think that's fine. I can probably yoink most of this. Tell me more about the poster behind you. I wish I could. I got this bad boy for $7.50 at my college. Like it was like a not like a yard sale, but like they were just selling like a bunch of like decorate your dorm stuff. And I was like, this looks cool. I have 0 decorations because like I'm a 20-year-old dude. I don't have house decorations. Still remembers the card game you're making? Yeah, we're still working on that. I'm just taking a little break for it to do something else today. Still going though. Still going. Oh shit, congrats, man. Signing your contract? Fucking congrats. You're just 20? Yeah, it's for 20. Dude, congrats. My goat. That's huge. What are we building here? This is just it's like a Discord bot for, it's stupid. It's reacting to like, you can pretty much like give it text and it'll use emojis to like spell out the text under something. Because I think that's like funny. And I want to build something that like, right now it's very anonymous because you can just call the function, it happens, and then it reacts as like the bot. So there's no way of knowing like who reacted, like who triggered the reaction. So I'm making a little like queue-based system of who stored what, or like who triggered what, so you can tell if somebody says some fuck shit, pretty much. Also, my friend wants me to look at a thing before we submit it, so just give me 1 second. I gotta look at something off camera. Give you guys like Subway Surfers or something. Keep you guys as occupied. Okay, what repo is that in? Scan for IPv4. Use regex to get IP addresses. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay. So we'll do this as don't need a message pop up. Don't need this. If not input, no, this doesn't matter. This also doesn't matter. feel like I'm taking, yeah, I mean, everything is, it's different. It's a different fucking function, obviously. I kind of just don't know how Discord bots work, I'm now realizing. We'll just, we'll get the skeleton done. We'll pass it off to my friend to make it actually work. So then we need to go over. Wait, how did I store this shit? Low key. Did I? Because I did it as a queue, which then meant I downcasted it to a list. Because I wanted a queue for the... first in, first out. Or first in, last out. No. What am I fucking smoking? But I do kind of just wanted, I just wanted a lookup. But also it's only 100 messages. So it's like, do I really care? Tomato, potato. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I'm just gonna change this. This song sucks. I do wish YouTube didn't like aggressively copyright music, so I didn't have to like mute my what am I trying to say? Like mute my audio every time. If be like interaction dot message dot id in mapping, we would return mapping at interaction of message id, right? Or no, that would be our global name, not return. Yeah, make a break. Can I just do if not global name? Do we like throw an error? So now if we have a user ID, or if we have a global name, we can just can we not just follow up and send a global name? Am I tripping? I feel like we can just do this. Something like, I don't know. The user global like reacted to it. Like made this reaction or something like that. These are okay. I mean, like Loki. Interaction message. Would send a follow-up. Says and we would return. I have no fucking clue if this works. No clue. And I don't really have a way of testing it because my friend has like the actual dev setup for this and I never bothered to figure that out. So what do I want to do? I'm probably just going to commit this onto a different branch. Do I want to do something else today, or do I want to just call it here? I'm trying to think if I have anything else like quick, project-wise, that I want to figure out. No. All right, I think I'm just gonna end it here. A little bit of a shorter stream today, but want to learn some hacking real quick? I mean, if it's real quick, why not? Why not learn some stuff? Install sublister. What is sublister? Interesting. Why? I'm really fucking with these comments. John, I'm not just gonna uninstall for Zubzub for no reason. They also misspelled child. You think I make a pull request and say you misspelled this? Or maybe it's on purpose. What the fuck is chlid? Like, why, John? Like, what? Like, what's? You said do some hacking. What's some hacking? All right, I read the description. I'll show you how it works. How about we push this to a different day? I was thinking you were gonna like tell me something cool. I don't really want to learn something new right now. I don't mean to like be a bitch, but I'm tired. So my fault. My fault. It's just been a long day. I'd work than a project due than this in the interview. Basically, you can figure out any extra domains the site is using. I guess that could be cool. Like run that on any food. You probably see the API. Get that sleep. Yeah, that's the plan. All right, guys. Good night. I will let you know as soon as I hear anything else about the interview stuff. Yeah, everybody have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow for, I think it's day 88 or 87. I don't really know. I've lost track at this point. Yeah, have a good night.